Si Senator Marcoleta, pinagpipilitan niya kasing baguhin yung procedure ng Senado na pwedeng bumoto ang absent, yung naka-online na lang, social media. Ibig sabihin, naghahanda na sila para sa maaring mangyari na makukulong ng mga ibang kaalyado nilang senador. Gaya niya, may kasong plunder na isasampa sa kanya si Senator Villanueva, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, si Bongo, maaring makulong din. Si Bato, nagatago na. So, ang mangyayari niyan, kung mawala ang mga yan, matatanggal yung Senate President. Siyempre, magbabago, hindi sila makaboto. Kaya gusto niya mabago yung procedure para manatili silang nasa mayorya. At isa pa, gusto niya, kasi nalangamba na siya na makakasuhan na siya. Kaya bago yan, panoorin natin ang sinasabi ni Senator Erwin Tolpo.
Madam President, my question is, why is the majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion, this allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it says convene and hold a session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate informations and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. I guess, Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure or does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question is, why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, the Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng Ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President? That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair.
Common sense, hindi naman tayo tanga, journalist tayo, di ba?
Yes.
BS. Pinubuno na tayo eh. Pinagpipilitan nila, naisip-isip na siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media na ilalabas na warrant of arrest o para makaboto yung mga yun na makakulong kung sino man yun para makakulong.
Kayo ba, pabor kayo na baguhin nila yung procedure na pwede nang bumoto yung hindi present sa Senado, yung online lang, yung mga nakakulong? Ako, hindi ako papabor eh. Kasi ang hirap naman yan, nakakulong na yung tao, gusto pa rin lang bumoto, gusto rin may pag-participate sa mga deliberation sa Kongreso. Pagdating ba ng impeachment, ito yung isa pang pinaghahandaan nila, yung impeachment ni Sara eh. Kasi kailangan nila ng 9 votes para papawalang sala si Sara at manalo siya doon sa impeachment. Paki-comment nga sa comment section, mga kasiwawer, kung anong masasabi nyo dito sa ipinagpipilitan ng mga DDS senators na ito.